Wurth Zebra 0539 range of hose clamps. The Wurth Zebra 0539 range of hose clamps have a stainless steel band and bracket and a zinc-coated mild steel screw incorporating a Phillips drive and 7mm hex drive. After a 90-hour salt spray test, only the screw showed minor signs of white corrosion. Bandwidth of the 0539 range is 9mm and the hexagon drive is 7mm. The band's rolled edges and stamped band thread prevent cutting in and damage to the hose surface, as demonstrated here. The worm drive is offset mounted on the band for precise tension distribution. Only a low torque of 2 to 3 Newton meters is required to give a sufficient clamping force that will provide a reliable seal. This acrylic test piece demonstrates the Zebra hose clamp band's even sealing pressure at just 3 Newton meters of torque. The Wurth Zebra 0539 range of hose clamps are available in sizes from 8 through 12mm up to 70 through 90mm. A comprehensive range of 120 Zebra hose clamps are available on a Wurth wall-mountable rack, which comes with a bonus Wurth 7mm flexible screwdriver. These hose clamps are similar to those used by many manufacturers including Ford, Volvo and BMW. Wurth Zebra 0539 range of hose clamps, the professional's choice.